Good morning, everyone. Hello, hello, hello. What a beautiful day, week to be alive, guys. What a nice week to be alive. Man, I respect the pump. I respect the pump. Enjoy the ride. Bags are loaded and pretty difficult environment for low time frame trading. Yeah, I stayed wake up last night a lot to talk. Yeah. Um, 1 second, this drawing needs to stay there because I was thinking about something. Yeah, we'll get into this potential idea uh, later. Uh, but what a day to be alive, guys. We'll be taking a look at a lot of charts. A lot of charts. We'll be doing a lot of TA. We'll be analyzing a lot of probabilities and stuff like that. You get the idea. Yeah, slowly starting the day with a good coffee. So are you guys enjoying this kind of environment or not? I don't know. I mean, I can sit back and trading. I can say, okay, I can stop trading, but I actually love this environment because uh, spot it's absolutely blasting my futures portfolio in terms of performance. Because I mean, if we think in our spot portfolios, we have 150 altcoins, 100, maybe some people more. And from those 100 or 200 coins, banger, it's around the corner. So one coin is banging massively, a 20-30% candle. I don't know how Paul can stay wake up like that, man. I don't get it, but I think the environment for staying wake up to hunt trades, it's coming to hunt opportunities. I wasn't. I've not been Octavian. I wasn't here, so should I prepare myself for not sleeping? uh, well, at least we have a really nice community, and either it's DeFi, either it's meme coins, either it's trading. We have everything investments. And I know that when the time to sell will come, PJ will be there. He'll be screaming, "Sell!" Yeah, I'm having my coffee now. Well, it's my first cycle, Octavian. I don't want to fuck it up. They say that first cycle you are losing everything. The next cycle you are building something, and the third cycle you're actually making it. I don't want three cycle. I don't want that. So I'd rather listen this cycle than yeah. That period of time was absolutely a blaster. The bear market was insane. Was was brutal with me. Wasn't easy at all. Good morning, Shogun. Good morning. Well, imagine that I learned the trading in the bear market. I was the hardest thing, and I wasn't necessarily hunting short ideas constantly. But when I started trading, learning trading, it was exactly in the bear market. Well, I posted this one on VIP. Guys, we are up 57%. 50 and it's pushing. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. I bought it after 2 years. after 2 years, is my first time of buying e-gold. My first ever. And I had some ugly DMs about that. Oh, you are an influencer. You're from, yeah, Romania. You're not having e-gold in your basket. Man, impossible. No. Well, I made my plan. I bought some here and look at it. Boom. Now I'm supporting the local economy. So. Exactly, Constantine Alexandru. Um, in bull market, everyone makes money, and it's pretty difficult to focus on a plan due to the greed and euphoria that's coming in. Let's hit 20 likes, or in the first phase, let's get 10, and smash that like button, guys. Let's get some charge request, some. I'll also post my idea. So, for example, okay, Bitcoin is at all-time high. Yeah, I can clearly get that. Nothing that we can use. But now we can look at Ethereum. We can see that Ethereum has some ranges. An upper range here, lower range here, and even lower one. So right now we are at value area high. There are two things. Either the price is really strong and it displaces through this resistance here. It's 61.8, being failure of the highs here, and value area high, and a cluster peak in volume. So that would made me think that either we get a quick rejection here, we test some uh, yeah, we test some lows here and then go higher again, or um, we just continue higher into the 3,880 bucks. So that's my plan. I'll be looking for it, but I'm not looking at it from a perspective of shorting. Maybe if you're fast enough, you can hedge short Bitcoin and Ethereum around here. But I don't know where a safe stop loss would be. Just my 2 cents. And regarding what you said, the Janko, remember taking profits. Yes, you need a plan, definitely. Uh, we need a plan, yeah, for selling. If you don't have a plan for selling, you will definitely get back. Yeah, you will uh, get home all the profits, and you will be back at your original bag. Because yeah, I do think that after the bull market ends, let's say that this chart goes to 800 bucks, pulls a move like this, and then I do think it will go back to 57. Yeah, I do think it will go back to 57. So having a plan to sell, it's a core key component. Yeah, is the most important thing that you want to have, because if you go in this market without a plan, you're busted. Yeah, let's check USDTD. I'll check Verea, Radu. I'll check Verea slowly. Take me slowly because, man. Well, I mentioned I had two plans on USDT dominance, and I had two plans. I made a big thread on my Twitter. I posted on VIP too. I mean, I posted on VIP and then on Twitter regarding the generational bottom opportunity. And I mentioned that either this is a sort of an ABC correction, and we get a huge AB equal CD here. Either we push a little bit more in the 61.8. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, I know we are at the trend line support here. Yeah, I know that from all these areas. I know. Damn you, magnets. Yeah. Um, but if I'm ignoring the trend line, technically speaking, we should take the low at 3.8%. Yeah. Definitely. So definitely we are close to a support here because if you look even at Bitcoin dominance, yeah, Bitcoin dominance, I mean, yeah, on daily we need an M, but for it to bottom, just my 2 cents is that we need a big W, a big M here in the short reload zone. Like we had a big W when we had this bottom here. So having that in mind, and potential, maybe a swing failure of the lows here, of the highs here, and then have a little pullback. Yeah, we can have a little pullback here. Just a little pullback, retest the weekly W and then continue higher. I can see that happening. But you know, buy when it's no, sell when it goes. So if the price will go lower, I'll buy, guys. It's a buying opportunity, it's not a selling opportunity, yeah. It's a buying opportunity. So we need to focus on that because my 2 cents is that this was the bottom on total three. And if we get a retest of this 650 billion, which I think we will, we'll see. How strong is the market? We'll see. I mean, Bitcoin is very strong. Altcoins right now, no, they are okay-ish. You can see on weekly time frame they are at the range lows, a lot of them. Now they are starting to pull a nice move, yeah. But look at this one, for example, CHR. Yeah, it's pulling a nice W. Look at this one. It's pulling out a nice W. Look at the weekly W. I think it's even a monthly one, double bottom. OGN. I mentioned about a long one, OGN. Look at this one. So they are buyable. They are buyable. I want to buy them now? No, not necessarily. If I see some weekly W's, I'll put some limit orders. For example, this one. Yeah, I bought at the lows here. I'm open to buy more at 5.5, definitely. Solana, I'm not touching it. This one has a huge cup and handle here. I think it will teleport to 400, 500 bucks in no time. Just my 2 cents. This one will be teleporting. Um, and maybe this can help you understand that it's not the environment to short anymore, guys. It's not that environment anymore. You have to stop doing that. It was profitable. I mean, look at me. I'm shorting everything that I see usually. I really do not care. Most of the times, and I'm playing my setups. But now, no, thank you. I'd better stay sidelined than short anything. And if you want to feel some skin in the game, you can take the weekly W's. Take the weekly W's. You have plenty of them. Look at this one. Wait for a retest on dot at $5. You have a lot of them. Aave, it's pulling a nice move. I think we'll have a gut candle soon. We have a nice accumulation wipe off. If we look at monthly on Aave, yeah, it's looking ready. Everything is looking like that. So altcoins, they are still buyable. They are still at the range lows, most of them. Yeah, not considering Sui. This one is teleporting already. You get the idea. Yeah, we'll have entries, but I think they will be really, really aggressive, Dennis. I think we'll have really aggressive moves. Look at this one, a DAG. Oh, not bad actually. Not bad. Okay. Okay, let's get some requests, guys. I see. Okay, Radu, you said Verea, 15 minutes. I presume that you want long because I'm not looking at anything else. today. Maybe at Bitcoin, I'll be looking for a potential short. Um, and one more thing, guys. I'm not that experienced with the bull market. I have zero experience with the bull market, so I don't know what to expect. I mean, did a lot of backtesting, and I saw we can get a 100% increase on one day. We will see a lot of 100%, 200% daily candles. Yeah. So get ready for that. Do you want to chase? Well, Paul made an indicator especially for that. I think even he found it difficult in the previous bull market to chase these coins, and I think that's why he did this indicator, because he was unable to chase the market with conventional tools, and he was missing those 100% moves. So this one, guys, it's gold. This tool is gold. Yeah, you can use whatever you want, but like flip levels and stuff like that. Because, for example, here you see the retest, and you get the idea. So this one, yeah, you can get a retest maybe around here and get in a long and ride the trend to the upside. So it's looking good for upside. On the daily time frame, yeah, it should go at least for these equal highs. So you have a target. Yeah, you can see if you're hopping in, maybe you get a dump here. If you're hopping in here, you get your take profit around here. And there you go. You're riding the trend. Can you please tell us about FET? I'll go on that one too. Where you would be looking at long on WEEF, so FET WEEF. And yeah, by the way, I mean we have this indicator is for the Discord. It's not selling, it's not anything like that. So if you want to have access to it, it's only based on the premium or VIP. And we have a really nice offer right now that is running, Black Friday offer. You can get more details. Just go on the website and on Discord. Uh, yeah, Alexandro. Yeah, we can get really aggressive dumps due to the fact that big boys are here and they can manipulate the market insanely aggressive. Yeah, they can dump the market insanely aggressive because they have big amounts of money. Yeah, I'll go Trolex. I'll go on FET and I'll go on WEEF. I didn't forget. So FET, AVAX, or the WEEF. Let's go with FET. Okay. Well, we are in a little descending channel, but I mean, it's not a bad idea. Take it in consideration. Not great either. The thing is that, look previously, I mean, we either start a parabolic movement and then we had sort of a consolidation like this, either a deeper pullback. So what I expect from now is to have something like this before going higher. Yeah, you can look in the past, the same stuff happened. So don't try to chase here exactly at the top at 1.63. Maybe use some, let's look at this one. If the trend is really strong, we'll be looking at 38.2 and 0.5. If the retracement is a little bit deeper, we can look even at 61.8, 0.5, 61.8. But definitely when you have an uptrend like we have right now, I think we can be looking at this one. I think Fed can easily pump into $2 here without giving a retracement. So let's say that maybe now we are at channel, that mid channel. Yeah, we can get a little pullback. So oh, something like this. Yeah, we can get a little pullback in the, let's put it like this. We can see at 38.2 we have an area of support here. So we can get a retest of $1.43 and then go higher. but analyze the pattern. So the pattern, it's always rally-based rally, bull flag kind of pattern. Whenever you see that price is squeezing in, like here, here, same stuff. When you are in an exponential phase, you want to look for these rally-based rallies. And we'll have this climax. This is a buying climax, a moment where the highest volume happens, and we'll definitely have that in the upcoming period. Okay, so if you want to buy alts, do it on a weekly level. Investments, yeah, you can do that because we have plenty of Ws that are firing right now. So we are still at the range lows on a lot of them. I mentioned yesterday. I mean, Bitcoin is at all-time high while altcoins, they are at range lows. Yeah, still buyable. So Fed, I don't know the time frame because it didn't mention necessarily. If you want to be really, so I tested previously. If you're not that sharp, you can enter with the 1 hour TAG. Let me show you previously what nice trends this indicator had. I mean, look at this. You enter TAG at 0.54, and okay, maybe you were taken out here 3x higher, but maybe you have a different trailing method. But this, remember this dips, they are really good opportunities to buy. When you have a dip of 20%, buy it. When you see a dip of 20% on altcoins, just buy it. So you get the idea. Let's go on the next one. I think someone asked about WIF. Let's see, daily. Dude, what's this? Not bad. Okay, WIF. Well, I had an S&R area here. You can see that price took it yesterday as resistance, but now we flipped it. Definitely it's going for the next liquidity point here at the highs. So $4 is the next target. And if we look from a channel perspective, yeah, I think if it breaks this channel, we can easily double the channel and look at something like this. Yeah. So either it rejects here, either we can see a swing failure of $4, 4.5. For a retracement, for a buying opportunity, I would wait something like this. So maybe it does this in the daily FEG here at 2.75. I already started having some stinky bids. I'll post them. I'll post them on Discord. I put 10 stinky bids so far. I'll do some more analysis. Yeah. Okay. Ken, it's saying, can you check AVE and CRV for target for bull run, please? Oi, 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 Ken, you're killing me. You're killing me. Bull run targets, I'm not good at that, guys. I'm very bad at that. But even if we think, yeah, last bull run and we take a 1.6 to 1.8 of that, yeah, we can look at $1,000 for AVE, which I think it's easily doable. So I take on the basic level, yeah. I really don't want to complicate it because so we can take something like this, yeah, and get 1.6 to 1.8 at $1,000. I think I'll keep it simple and I'll stay with these fib extensions for the upcoming rally. So we are still at the beginning. That would be a 10x, no, 7x from here, easily doable. Now I won't necessarily sell everything here. I will just trim like 5% and stuff like that on the way up. As I see bearishness, because I don't want to sell here. I don't want to sell here, 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 here. I'll sell when I get my triggers. Yeah, like bearish divergence and stuff like that. Maybe uh, maybe even a crystal ball indicator. We'll see. Um, but I think it will be pretty difficult to hold all your bags in the exponential move. I don't want to think about it. I wasn't there. I don't know how hard it is, and what I plan is actually not to look at my portfolio. And I think Paul will have a pretty hard time. Paul, if you're here, you'll have a pretty hard time, man. With including me, I think you'll get Stefan from the beginning of trading because I'll ask you, when you sell, do we sell? Do we sell? Do we sell? Do we sell? When do we sell? Yeah, it will be an interesting period. I mean, I was never there. I have no idea of what to expect. Let's look at CRV, the next one from Ken. Guys, CRV, we are in a good position, I think. I mentioned to buy here at 21. I posted this one everywhere. Yeah, on premium, I posted it on Discord. Yeah, we bought here 22 cents. Not a bad idea. Well, it was exactly as expected. Insanely nice move. Now we just carry the bags. I do not care of selling anything right now. I really don't want to sell anything. Maybe from a sell half on a double perspective, I'll consider some around here at 0.52 from a sell half on a double perspective, okay? Like 3 bags. And maybe then I'll try to what's going on? Yeah, something like this, and reload at the W neckline. Yeah, that would be a nice play. Just my 2 cents. That's what I would do. Because I have a very big bag on. I'm confusing about not seeing the W. What W? There is no W here yet. I'm mentioning about the possibility of creating this big ass W. If we break the neckline here, yeah, price is going here, and then yeah, there is no W here. No, here I posted the triple tap. Uh, the reason for taking this long when I posted it here. It had a bullish market structure shift and standard deviation 2 and 2.5. I think should be hit with pretty high accuracy. So if you ask me, I mean, yeah, this would be on a weekly time frame. We can still get this, guys. We can still get a retest, and we are at the range lows because if we put a fib at where my target is, we are below 78.6. That's my 2 cents. And look at the fucking weekly chart. We are below the all-time low. So investment scenario, we are. Look at this chart. Yeah. Well, for target, I think I'll ignore that week. But if I'm looking at the 1.6 to 1.8 from this rally, would point to $10. So this one would roughly give me about a 15x. I think it's doable. I use the because I'm stupid. I'm not that smart as a lot of people here. I used a lot of data from ChatGPT and stuff like that, and I asked him the previous rallies and how they developed, how um, what profits they did in the past, and how coins reacted and stuff like that. So um, mid cap coins they usually go about 22 to 41x. There are low caps that can do even 80x to 150x, and big caps they are doing around 7x to 15x. Just the data. If you are asking ChatGPT based on, yeah, you know, you can do a nice prompt and ask him based on the previous bull market. So between a range of minimum 7x to 15, 20x, it's doable, easily doable. Just my 2 cents. Yeah. Okay, let's wake up. Let's get some requests. So I did FET, I did the CRV, AVAX, Ordi. Lulu asked about Ordi. I don't know if Lulu is still here, but then Albert asked about Injective. Yeah. And then Say, and if it's possible to share your favorite setup. My favorite setup on Say. My favorite. I'll need to think if I have one favorite, but I'll do my best. So let's go on. Radu asked about Aegon. Aegon on 5 minutes. Where would you long CRV? Well, I just said where I would long. I'm long here for a trade on what time frame? I would long here at 26 cents. I would look for a long. Well, on 1 hour you need some structure because 1 hour it's different. Maybe you can use even the TAG on 1 hour. You can see it started. The trend started. So you can use this one. I will just brain dead use TAG guys on the next period. Even 4 hour. If I see a 4 hour trend started, look at the TAG. Plug it in and unplug your brain. Like PJ retweeted now. Moro said, just long your coins and go to sleep. Buy, put a stop loss with a 4 hour TAG and go to sleep, and you'll be happy next day. Joking, not joking. That's the environment that we are in right now. Yeah. Okay. Aegon. Aegon. Let's see what is he doing on. Oh, interesting. Let's see. 4 hours. Delete everything. Let's see a fib here. Interesting. Man, I just wake up. Did I miss any plans? Hey, Apmo. Not necessarily. Not necessarily. I'm looking at Ethereum to be honest. I'm expecting for it to dump pretty soon. Maybe not yet. Maybe not yet, but I expect a dump on Ethereum soon. Let's see Bitcoin too. Red list. Yeah. Technically, I mean, look at this big ass M. You can even take the big ass M on Bitcoin if you want to hedge. Not recommending, only if you're sharp, only if you know risk management. If you are telling me that you risk, wait, 1 second, I had some DMs. If you are telling me that you're risking 15 to 20% per one trade, you'd better close this live and do something else. 80,000, this would be 1 day low, okay. You'd better do something else. I mean, buy a cat and go in the park or a dog, yeah. But don't trade. Yeah, you get the idea. So I'd better not show this kind of trades because they can be really dangerous for someone who's going all in and doesn't know what risk management is, especially in a bull market like we are now. Okay. So if you're sharp enough, you can take this one. Okay, let's go back to our horses. Well, don't short then. Then ignore what I have in the chart here and focus on longing. Yeah, that would bring you way more profits. So I wanted to highlight a secret sauce here, not necessarily on this one. I know you guys posted some requests. I'll get them. No worries. Not 1 hour. 1 hour. So there is one beautiful thing about TAG. More actually, not one. Dude, what I'm doing. EMA. I like to put it in confluence with EMA when I'm You can use double lemma and you put a 100 with a but usually I use 200. That's the best one. Yeah. And what you will observe usually is that the big weeks are happening most of the times in the uh, vicinity, yeah, of that 200 EMA. So if you have a confluence of TAG, yeah, you can look here. Yeah, you can see goat whenever it's going into that area, and you can see the confluences here because price is moving based on levels, level by level, and it's flipping those levels. So you can either let me get back to my idea. Man, I'm really sleepy, sorry. If we get aggressive dumps, especially liquidity grab ones, they are really good buying opportunities. And then you'll say, okay, how do we buy? Well, you have more ways to buy them. You can either buy them with a, I don't know, you have $1,000, you buy the dip with $1,000 or 10,000 or, but use proper risk management, you get the idea. Or you can even use a stop loss based on the TAG, and you can frame something like this, yeah. And most of the times you will get nice dips, like we had here, for example. Yeah, look at this one, really nice dump, and now price has reclaimed, and we are in good profits. You get the idea? Okay, let's go back to our horses. Someone asked me about injective. INJ USDT, and the question is the following. Uh, if it can open a trade for a push to 35 this week. Open a trade where? Here? Holy moly. Why I would open a trade here? Well, I don't know, maybe the retest of this weekly W, but I would wait for a pullback in $24 at least. Maybe, but I wouldn't say it's a clear setup. I don't know, guys. Chasing can be all right. I'm not saying it's not all right. With proper tools, I think it can work. But it can be dangerous also because if you don't have a clear plan and if you are overexposing and you know the idea stuff like that, you can end up in a pretty bad situation where you will liquidate portfolio because those weeks can get insanely nasty. Look at this week here. I'm not saying we can get this week, but look at this one. Before pushing higher, look at how of a deep retracement it had. It had a 22% week to the downside. Here, same stuff. Look at this deep pullback. So I mentioned these are good buying opportunities. Again, 18%. So we can get easily a 18 to 20% week to the downside. Yeah, 21. There you go. So we can get a pullback in the $20 area, quick one, and then have a really, really, really nice spring reaction from that area. So don't play with fire. Market buying. Have some plans. Uh, Build them properly. Have proper risk management. And I think you can be in a really good spot if you're doing that. But playing with fire, you will end up losing everything that you have, everything that you made. And I don't think it's a good idea. Go with the rule of thumb, easy. Yeah. When you see the dump, buy. If you see a 10-20% dump, buy and uh, relax. Okay. I stopped on Agen. What I stopped? Uh, No, this one should go lower. I mean, I see it coming back in 2.8 or even in 61.8 here at 2.71 bucks. Mog, yeah, Mog gave me a headache yesterday. Mm, fucking Mog. Uh, Look at it now. I saw this potential seek and destroy pattern on Mog. No, I was taken out at break even. You see this megaphone pattern. I hoped that this W will hold the price action. Then we had the swing failure here. Price did a swing failure of the highs. Another swing failure, another swing failure. So we had one, two, three swing failures. So I said, no, fuck it. No, I'm not long Mog anymore. It was too annoying. The price action was way too annoying and didn't worth my effort. Just my 2 cents. Ah, nice. 1.87. Not bad. Not bad. The reclaim of this, yeah, of this level. It's valid. It's a valid setup. I posted it, but um, I didn't like the reaction. You know what? It can happen on this one due to the fuckeries. You can continue with this ugly bullshit megaphone pattern, and we can see this easily. And I don't want this. I don't want to be part of this crap. Yeah, exactly, Alexandro. No short in price discovery. It's not worth it. Um, Woo. Theo asked about Woo. Woo is nice. Look at the weekly. So if you want to accumulate some Woo, I think Woo can be very good at 2.2, yeah, 22%, or maybe even lower here. Depends on the pullback. We can look at these two areas. We have the nice weekly W already in, and it's looking nice. It's looking really, really nice. Uh, I wouldn't try to long anything if we see a dump today, because like the last bull market, it often dumped for like a week, not a day. Yeah, definitely. That's why you need a very good plan. You don't necessarily want to blindly short or blindly long. You get the idea. The idea is to have a good plan. That's the most important thing. If you don't have a good plan, you're most likely screwed because you will over leverage, you will do a lot of mistakes. Okay. Sorry. Can we do Jupiter? Yeah, let's do some Jupiter. I like Jupiter. I'm pretty bullish on this one. Well, you can see my levels. I mentioned buy Jupiter here at 86 cents. We are in pretty good profits. Let's delete this one. So I bought massively Jupiter here at 72 at 80, 85. We're in a good position. And what I like about this one, it's actually reclaiming 1.2022. Next target would be 1.6. And if we think as we should in ranges, yeah, reclaim this one, goes for the next one. If price wants to retest a little bit, does this. Yeah, take some liquidity here from the lows, retesting some FEGs, some daily FEGs here at $1, pretty nice round number, and then it goes higher. So I'd buy this neckline here at 96, 80, 88 cents. It's a good buying area. We have the W's on, so if you didn't bought and you waited for confirmations, which is not wrong at all. I know plenty of people have done that, and it's all right. It's really good because now you have the confirmations that you were waiting for. But be sure to buy these W's, this retest if they will come, because most likely they will come. Um, okay. Can you take a look at the rows? I'll take a look at peak and rows. Yeah, peak. But I think peak. Bochan told me about this one, if I'm not wrong. Let me check my discussion with Bochan. Peak. Uh, he told me, hey man, check peak. It can pull a move of already. Well, yeah, guys, it's a fresh chart. I know peak. It's pretty bullish project. Yeah, I get the idea. Uh, it's pretty difficult. If the chart is new, I don't know, it's pretty difficult. You either ape, if you have a plan where you ape, you can ape and forget. That should be a setup. Um, Other way, it's pretty difficult to do anything here. And we don't have more history on this one, no? Yeah. I mean, I know. I was speaking with Boccian, and he said, "Man, maybe we buy some and in a good area, and it pulls a TIA move at the listing. Definitely, it can do that. Yeah, it can go to $5 easily. But I have no strength or no edge. Yeah, I have absolutely no edge right now. Sadly, I would have liked to have, but so if you want to nibble in some, I don't think it's a bad idea. I don't think it's a bad idea. Just a little bit to have some skin in the game. Then you can reassess a little bit later. I know someone asked me about the Rose. Let's check Rose. Oh, we have a nice dump on Rose. Huh. Was a low time frame dump. Same stuff on Rose. The juicy weekly doubles are happening. Look at the previous rally, how it started. What do you see here? Cheeky, nice as W. The thing is that we didn't have a proper retest. That's the issue. So you either buy the breakout once it broke out at 84 bucks, 84 pennies, 0.84 cents. Yeah, you get the idea. Either you buy in that area or wait for a pullback. But Albert, man, that question it's hurting me. You can have even 20 figures. That's that doesn't sound like you made it. I mean, I don't care, trading or whatever, but having your investment in two altcoins, all in kind of style, doesn't suit me, and I'm not in the position to help on that regard. We have four plans, I think. So we have four investment plans on Discord. We have the Road to Financial Freedom. We have Hand of Midas, which is DeFi. We have the Last Chance Challenge, which is regarding to new coins like Aegon, like uh, Ivo and stuff like that. And you have my investments on VIP. Everything that I'm buying, it's posted there. So uh, I like to have my eggs in more baskets. I don't know. If you are thinking a little bit different, it's up to you. And also you have to analyze the risk regarding the amount. There's a lot of aspects that needs to be clarified and put in the plan when you are thinking like that because it's really hard. So regarding Rose, you can buy this W, just my 2 cents. I'm okay with that. Or what you can do is actually wait for a potential LJ here and go on a daily time frame and maybe hunt a W around here. That can be done too. I'm not saying that Jup or Other coins cannot do a 6x or 7x. They can easily pull that kind of move. I think they will pull even 20x. I think we'll see even 100x across the board, but no one guarantees absolutely anything. And the thing is that market will take with two hands. So if it gives with one hand, if you don't have a plan, it will take with two hands after. So you need to be a very good planner. Okay, someone asked me about Ethereum and why I have that plan made. Well, let's go on daily. Technically, we swept Monday high here. Let's check Monday high. It's exactly here. So we either show some strength on Ethereum and push higher. I don't know what's this line. Ah, okay. I get what's that line. And push higher, take it as support, and then just continue higher to the upside. Or we have a nasty deviation. Not nasty because it's required a pullback. You can have a deviation here and go lower. That can easily happen. Just my 2 cents. And we also have a nice M on Bitcoin here. Up to you if you want to take it or not. It's up to everyone. And then I think I will target the first 4-hour FEG here. The last time, remember, I was speaking about this dump. I took a dangerous short here. I made 5R. I closed it exactly here in the FEG. Um, Same stuff here. I took this M. It's insanely dangerous. So maybe you are quick enough. Yeah, take it. Okay. Well, I don't know how. I think we are a little bit overly complicating the USDT dominance thing, and we might be in a little bit different scenario. Just my 2 cents. I know I don't have previous bull markets at actively in the past. Okay, I have no idea how USDT is influencing the uh, but it's definitely influencing. But the thing is with USDT dominance, they can print more. They can print more USDT. That's the thing. They can print more. So we can actually get more money in the market. Yeah, I really don't know. I have no idea. We can take this area line as support, or we can do a mother of all rallies and take all the liquidity here. People be really absolutely insanely bullish and go all in from stables and actually give all the stables on investments. You never know. I mean, with the current geopolitical status, don't ask me stuff like that. I'm just a stupid trader. I like to take my trades, my investments. I'm really stupid in that regard. So I'm not the ideal person to ask stuff like that. If you want trading stuff, well, I think I'm one of the ideal persons to ask because I know a thing or two about trading. A chart, yeah, trading a chart. So if I look at this one only from a chart perspective, I can easily see this lows taken here, like massively swept. Just my 2 cents. Doo-doo-doo-dum. Let me okay. You know, in trading there is no such thing as certainties. There is no certitude in anything. You have to work with probabilities. Everything that you are doing, it has a probability to happen and the probability to lose it. Yeah, because in everything that you do in trading, you have to think in probabilities. Okay. I'll check render. I want to post something really quick here. Okay. Technically, we should get a dump here. We should get a dump here. And the retest of 86,000. One second, please. Okay. And this potential dump here on Bitcoin. Yeah, I mentioned this daily fractal on Ethereum. I think we are a bit overextended, and it's absolutely normal, and it's actually bullish to get a rejection. Yeah. So I do think that if we get a rejection here, most likely we'll get a. Let me delete this stuff here. Not that one. Ah, damn it. Okay. So the first area should be here on Ethereum. Here and then here. We'll go 4 hours. Yeah. But don't go all in short, please. Okay. Let's get back to our ships. Okay. Render. I know someone asked me about render. Let's go on render. USDT. 1 week, not 1 minute, dude. I had a big buy order here at 3.69 bucks. I mentioned about this buy order at 3.69 bucks long time ago. I think in June 2024. Nothing that we can do at this point in time from that specific from that specific point, and we have a nice weekly W. We have a nice weekly W. Well, should we buy now? No. We can Wait for a retest. Because most likely we'll have a retest of this neckline W if you want. Investment side, yeah? Or you can be a little bit more careful and look at that 5.6 bucks area. I would take a long on that area. Now it's up to you and your plan how are you planning to make that happen? But I think it's a good idea. So 5.6, and if you really market is really bullish, but we don't have a weekly close. So weekly close it will be in 5 days from now. I'd prefer to see a strong weekly close across the board. So I really want to see altcoins and overall markets to have a strong weekly close around here. So even let's say that we go sideways. I don't necessarily want to push. We go sideways, but it's preferably to see a strong market close. Okay. Let me hear you guys some more ideas. We have 15, 18 likes, 16. Let's make it 20 likes, guys. Let's push it a little bit. Let's push it a little bit. Go, go, go. Let me check some data here on the aggregator. I'm curious if Spot is taking profits finally, because Spot on Bitcoin has been insanely strong. I got to tell you, insanely strong. They were beating massively. Mm, yeah, I can see Coinbase selling a little bit. And Binance, yeah. I see Binance started to sell a little bit. But it's absolutely normal. I mean, it's absolutely normal. Enna, let's take a look at Enna. We took a short here, by the way. If you are fast, okay. If you're not fast, uh, then don't touch it. Say, share thing. I'll take a look at say favorite setup. Dude, I don't know what's favorite setup, but I like Say. I'm invested big time in Say. I actually had some airdrops on Say, which doubled my position unwillingly. They doubled my position. Well, for trading, guys, I was front run. I did bought here when we had the initial dump here at 23 cents. Be careful, be careful, be careful here. Don't be very bullish at the top. Let's treat this as a range. Even if it goes to all-time high tomorrow, treat it like a range. Yeah, because here, everything, it's about flipping the previous areas. If the market is really strong, boom. Okay, which is the next range? Let's look here. Because altcoins, they are still under their previous all-time highs. Yeah, you get the idea. This S&R, these ranges will work because they are still under the previous all-time highs. You get the idea, okay? If say it's really strong, yeah, we will displace this highs and then go higher. If it wants to do a deviation, swing failure of the highs, and maybe retest the mid-range about 40 cents, or even retest range lows at 33, 34. Oh, thank you very much, guys. We hit that, we smashed those 20 likes. Let me do one more post on Twitter. Maybe people they don't know that I'm live. Let's spam them a little bit more. Okay. Fill gap. What gap? Oh, I think we have a Bitcoin gap. Let's see, Bitcoin CME. Uh-huh, uh-huh. Okay. Yeah, yeah. If you remember yesterday, I mentioned about one thing. I said, okay, I don't want the market to show weakness today. And it followed the plan. And some people told me, man, you're stupid because it didn't dump like you said yesterday. Well, I said plan for today and tomorrow. I don't know how many people know how to read, but they are really hasty on writing. Because I posted the plan yesterday on Bitcoin, and I said that most likely we'll have a dump. Yeah. But it will be tomorrow. I don't want to see the dump happening today. The logic, I explained it on the live stream yesterday on my trading session. And look at it. It did exactly as I was thinking. And why I didn't want it to happen yesterday? Well, from um, Monday high, Monday range point of view. Yeah. And how the market is forming liquidity and stuff like that. It's a little bit more complex, but once you understand how the market is moving, you will get a better glimpse of that stuff. I'll say like 30 more minutes. I'll do more posts, and I'm kindly asking you one thing, guys. If you actually really like what I'm doing, consider hit that like button or even retweet. It's even better. So I'd be really grateful if you enjoy this live stream. If you don't enjoy it, ignore me. You know the drill. Uh, I almost said something. Don't say it. I'm not here to uh, confirm anyone's bias or make you happy or pleased or anything like that. No, I'm here to trade. I'm here to make money. If you want to follow what I'm doing, it's up to you. If you want to ignore what I'm doing, it's up to you. Okay. Well, our short is not going bad. It's not going bad. I think we are at 1 to 1. I should make this one risk free. So he that will like and retweet, or maybe put a comment. Put a comment. I hate you, Stefan. You're ugly. Um, you can say you're fucking ugly. I'm okay with that. I'm really okay with that. Okay. Most likely, I'll stick to make this one risk free. Okay. Let's go back and look at some potential other potential ideas. Alright, chart would look to be nice. Would be nice with targets. Weekly double in play. Let's see ORI. Also, I'll check um, total 3 slash Bitcoin. Well, Benjamin is better than me in regarding that kind of analysis, so I'll let it to him. I'm just a really stupid trader. I trade level by level. As soon as I have previous levels from the all-time high, I'll trade them. Regarding that kind of thinking, I have no edge, and I really don't know how to interpretate those levels. Yeah, I'm trading charts, and That's it. Okay. Orai. Well, it's looking nice. It's looking nice. We are still in a range. I'm not saying that okay, it's going to Valhalla or stuff like that. We are still in a range here. We see we are at range highs, range lows. Uh, if I would be to buy, I want to see this and buy here. I wouldn't buy now because it can be a deviation and I can buy here. You never know. Until proven wrong, I prefer for it to break out first without me, get my retest, and then get on board. That would be my plan. But right now, I wouldn't touch it. Potential swing failure of the highs and then dump. Potentially, it can happen. I know PJ is the first one. Definitely it is. It's my favorite too. I actually don't have Orai in my bag, to be honest. Target for taking profits and well, if this W gets confirmed, you can use some chaos levels here. Uh, it's man, this one it's always reversing. So level by level, you can think of 14 bucks, you can think of 21 bucks, or even 36 bucks. So, ooh, dude, what's going on? 1 second. No. Yeah, my mistake. Uh, so you can think of 14 bucks, yeah, 21 and 36 bucks regular. Okay. If you look strictly at that W. Everyone is calling for that gap on Bitcoin. Yeah, I'm not saying it's not possible to fill it. It's even probable, and that has a good confluence with the breakout level. So, but I think markets will outsmart everyone. It will either front run the gap a little bit and have an 82,000 retest and then pump more, or even it will have a deeper pullback and they will say, okay, we took it at resistance, it will go to zero. Sorry, and we do this and retest 74,000. Because if I'm thinking retest of 38.2, I think it's reasonable to think that with your perspective on risk and not well, I wouldn't buy Solana now. Definitely, I wouldn't touch Solana now. No, I would. I'm not the right guy to do that. I have Bochian, but for example, if you didn't bought Sui, you can have his, if you didn't buy Tao, you can buy his. I don't know how they are called. Alternatives, clones. You get the idea. The ones that are following the price of Sui or Tao. For example, yeah, he's the betas. Thank you very much, Alex. For example, on Sui, we have Tatsu and Cetus, if I'm not wrong, Bocian. Tatsu and Cetus. Tatsu or Turbos. No, Tatsu is for it's for Tao. Yeah. Turbos it's for this one is for Sui. And you see it's doing the retest of the W here. And we have Cetus for Sui. So getting back to your point, if you don't have a bag of Solana, I might considering some Solana betas, and with the name of them, I cannot help you. You need way smarter people than me to do that, and I'm not the right one. You need some DeFi, some people that are knowing the things around and the beta plays for a specific coin. And for example, if you didn't got the boss on Tao, we have Tatsu, if I'm not wrong. I have this one from Bocian too. And you see, we have a weekly, a daily double. Let me check this. Daily double here. Nice. Okay, you can buy this one. I don't have anything against it. Nice double here, cheeky W. And then you have, but it's on Dex Screener. It's on Ethereum. Let me check. It's Kizuna. It's same stuff. Kizuna. Kizuna. Okay. One 1 year old. 13 million. Yeah, this one should be. It's a beta for Tau. And it's following Tau price action pretty nicely. But the thing is that it just has, yeah, 10 million market cap. So you have ways to buy Solana if you didn't bought yet. But Solana betas, yeah, not actually Solana. But you need the right people. That's the thing. I'm not the almighty intelligent investor and trader. That's why I'm surrounding myself with insanely good and valuable members. This is why the community is so important. Yeah, it's absolutely important. Community, it's makes the difference between you booking the profits at $1 million and waiting with your mouth open for $10 million and then trailing all the profits back to zero. That's the difference because they can feed you FOMO so hardly and then they can mislead you so hardly. And that's why I absolutely love this community. And keeping it clean, I think PJ is making a tremendous, well done job. And if you want to take advantage, we have some Black Friday offers that are running right now. You can check out them. You can DM me or Paul for more details. And also, we will have a VIP offer soon. We'll be speaking about it in 10 days. And if you want to get part of the education programs, which we still hold them, but I don't know for how much long, because 2024, it will be the period where you want to focus on trading and we want to focus on booking those profits. So I don't know how much time will be for education. We'll see. We want to keep education as the main core key component of this community. But in the same time, we want to focus on the upcoming period. So take advantage of them, take advantage of the programs as soon as they are still open. Yeah, Albert, I mean, it's not the end of the world that you didn't manage to buy Sui or Tao or stuff like that. I see a lot of people head banking their banging their heads on the walls because they didn't manage to buy that and that and that and that. But it's actually not a problem. It's all right. It's all right. You cannot catch everything. And I mentioned once again, this is the power of the community. Um, we have one person that is doing Vamp, which is doing posting only on KuCoin. I have a portfolio specially made for him, and man, I have to give him a beer sooner or later because for 2 years he constantly posted coins. He banging doubles day in day out. He's banging doubles. So thank you, guys, and Carol V and the DGen group. Well, you don't have to think about anything else. because you get feeded, you get posted with with consistent. I hate the name alpha, but quality content and nice plays, nice charts. Can look at POC for Bitcoin entry at this top. Uh, hey Khan, hey man, well pointed out. Let's see. Well, my chart just disappeared. Okay, there you go. Oh wow, yeah, a really nice entry, Khan. Really nice entry. It's exactly at the neckline of that M. Yeah, I see what you saw there. I see what you did there. I see what you did there. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. Yeah, ain't looking bad at all. Ain't looking bad. Well, guys, let me know if you have any more requests, any other ideas. How long this dip will last? Wow. I'm at Ethan, I'm really stupid. So in trading, I'm actually really stupid. I'm just taking my setups. I know how to use a setup. I know how to use risk management. I know when to take profit. Uh, but dude, uh, I don't know how to predict. I don't know how to do this kind of stuff. I mean, way more smarter people than me can do that. But I prefer to make money. I prefer to keep it level by level. I prefer to buy good levels. I don't like to ape. I don't like to buy high and sell low or FOMO in. I used to do that, but right now everything that I do it's insanely boring. And man, it's insanely like getting sleeping boring. That kind of boring. And I don't expect targets. For example, Bitcoin, I'll play level by level. I will take some TP1 here. My final target would be 80,000, which is Monday low. It can go um, to the CME gap. Yes, it can go to CME gap. If it goes there, okay, I'm trailing my profits until that target. But it doesn't mean that I'll get greedy and I won't pay the trader. No, no, no. I'll play them slowly but surely. Can you give a fast opinion about ENA? I would appreciate it. What's the main time frame? Okay. Lulu. That's some Sol from Ethan. Mm, thoughts on Sol. What thought can I have on Sol? It will go to Valhalla. This one, it's in expansion mode right now. We have finished the consolidation. This is a breakout. Maybe if we get a chance and have a retest here, would be nice to take the retest. But most likely we'll have the same stuff here. You can see consolidation and expansion. Um, yeah, welcome here. I'm glad to see new people onboarding each day. So I can see Solana 440, $500 easily, 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 easily. Do I buy it here spot? Absolutely no way. Absolutely no way. I bought Solana at 36.24. I bought in this area. I still have plenty of Solana. And I don't have Solana because I bought it here. I have Solana thanks to the degens from our trading group that are posting meme coins on a daily basis. And we are banking doubles. So when I started Solana is one of my biggest bags. When I started getting Solana, I made a plan. It was 8 months ago. And I said, okay, how I will acquire Solana? Well, what's the best beta for Solana? Yeah, the Solana chain with meme coins. Just banking doubles means that you are getting your money in Solana, and you will have a double edge win because you will make money with meme coins and you will make money with Solana. Pretty easy, stupid, simple, easy. But a lot of people enjoy to overly overcomplicate it. So I ended up with a huge bag of Solana just because I'm banking doubles all the time. Um, so that would be my thought on Sol. I don't plan to buy any Sol. I have lots of Sol. And I think I spoke about this one already. Well, wait for a retest. Wait for a retest here at 46 cents. 46, 49 cents, even 38 cents. I don't see why this level wouldn't be retested. I don't know. Just my 2 cents. I don't see why that level wouldn't be retested. Well, just wait for it. Don't ape, don't FOMO, follow your plans. Um, what's the main time frame that you use for daily trading? 5-15 minutes. When I'm daily trading, I use 5 to 15 minutes. But now in the up only mode, it's a little bit trickier. Yeah, because you want to change the plan a little bit and adapt your way of adapt your. I don't want to lose money. Um, I mean, usually I'm trading on VIP and I can ignore, not ignore, but I can stay silent a little bit. But I need to manage my profits because that's what I'm doing for a living, guys. And 1 second, please. I need to put some partial take profits here, and I need to alert my trading group. So here should be TP1. Okay. For Ethereum, I think we can dump even in this day. Okay, back. Uh, nice stuff. Thank you. Thoughts on TIA and LDO? Let's check TIA. I bought a pretty massive bag of TIA here. I posted the long at 4.18. We longed the bottom of this one. 4.8. Yeah, here. So we are long on TIA. I mentioned about this long some time ago. Right now, well, we don't have a weekly W. It's just it's just a range right now on TIA. So, I wouldn't be very eager to long the crap out of it. I would wait at 4.7 or maybe a long reload zone. Yeah. I'm mentioning this because I have a pretty big bag of TIA. I bought it at this area 3.84. So we can buy at 4.8 bucks easily on TIA. As a long run, okay, it might not be ready because look at this aggressive dump, continuous dump. Now we need to start an accumulation wyckoff, which might take a little bit more time. So don't expect the charts to snap to the upside in 1 second. It has to take time. The bigger the accumulation, the bigger the breakout. That being said, you still have time to accumulate below 4.8 bucks, but not, I don't know how for I don't know for how much time you have that opportunity. LDO, LDO. Yeah, 61.8. Stupid simple. Put a fib on your chart if you are really bullish on LDO, but I don't see why it shouldn't go to 78.6 here at 1.0.41 cents. It can easily go here. It can easily go here, retest the range lows here. Yeah, so if you want to buy some, just put it here. Uh, yeah. Well, thank you, Paul. Thank you for mentioning that. I'm focusing here on the live. I posted some updates on VIP, but it's not enough. It's difficult. Okay. All right. Yeah, it's bouncing. It's bouncing. I saw that. It's bouncing. On 5 minutes, we can have a bearish market structure shift, but they are not working on a bullish environment. So yeah, we can get a rejection here at 3.403. We go lower. Whatever. We'll see. I'm not here to predict. I'm here to make money and trade. It's starting the correction on altcoins. I don't know. I'm not sure. But if it starts, I mean, okay, if it starts but you don't have a plan, how will you take advantage of that? If you have a plan and you are just waiting with your hands under your ass for it to start, then you are well prepared and you will know how to react. That's my 2 cents. I'd better make a plan um, and just wait, enjoy the ride, than try to predict without a plan. Okay. Do you see on the chart Nosana? Nosana? I never heard about that. Ah, maybe you wanted to say Solana. Nosana? What M you see here on Tau? Even on Tau, on weekly chart, it looks like an M pattern. I don't see an M here. I see a... Yeah, this can be a bearish retest on Tau. I'm not saying that. Mm, you can have something like this. Definitely. A retest of 61.8. I'm waiting for that level for a long time. I bought here at 170, 190 bucks, so I'm okay with Tau. NOS, I never heard of it, so sorry for not. Uh, okay, yeah, I get it. I don't like it. Yeah, I'm not touching this one up here. Just my just my 2 pennies. Talmudi would say, I want my $2. No, I wouldn't touch it. It's too high, too fast. It's not for me. No, no. Well, guys, we are almost 2 hours, 140 minutes in this live. Let me know if you have any other questions. If not, we can call it a live. You know, you can always find us. You can always find us live trading on Discord. Either me or PJ will be day in, day out there, either in the premium or the VIP room or in the lounge, just casually sharing the screen, listening to some music, and looking for some setups. If you want a community, and just my 2 cents, trading done alone, it can be really difficult. You can, especially if you're an emotional person who doesn't have a good plan, who who is changing bias from one day to another. It's really difficult. It's really difficult, and I totally get it. I've been there. For example, I started trading when the whole AMC uh, crap and GME started. That was my period, and I know that I ended up buying the top. I bought the top. I bought the resistance. Actually, I marked the top. I bought a perfect top on that one. And just because I was alone, I didn't have a community. I was bidding on emotions. I was emotionally involved. And I didn't know how to make a plan, how to work with the plan, and so on. So it's really difficult. It's not easy. And I think bull market will be even more difficult due to the emotions. Huge emotions will be involved in the bull market, and it won't make trading easier. So you need to have a plan. If you don't have one, we can help you creating a plan from scratch. If you are looking for education, and I think it's about the time to invest in education, because if you will be making $500,000, just giving an example, if you don't have education of protecting it, you will most likely end up losing it. It's exactly like in those winning lottery tickets. Yeah, you get it. Yeah. And we are running some nice offers if you are interested. Yeah, just hit us up, DM me or Paul, join Discord. And don't ignore the investment plans. I'm saying this on a daily basis. The investment plans are gold, and we have plenty of them thanks to the efforts done. Okay, see you guys on the next trading session. Thank you very much for hopping in. And I'll hear you in the New York trading session. In 4 hours from now, we'll be live streaming once again, but we'll be on Discord. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.